Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start Eman-e-Mufassal. How to read Eman-e-Mufassal? Let us start now. I will teach, you have to repeat after me. Amantu. A we long due to standing fatha on it. Mim we connect with the noon, and here is ikhfa. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ta, which is from ikhfa letters. So we say amantu. We hide the sound of noon into our nose. Amantu. Ba we connect with the lam. Bil, lam has a standing fatha. We long here. Billahi. Billahi. Waw has fatha, mim has fatha, wama. Lam has a standing fatha and mad sign as well, so we long here. Wamalai. Wamalaikatihi. Wamalaikatihi. Wakutubihi. Wakutubihi. Warusulihi. Ra we read in heavy sound. Warusulihi. Wal yawmil akhiri. Wal yawmil akhiri. وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَالْقَدْرِ. On the qaf we read in heavy sound. Dal we make qalqala sound. وَالْقَدْرِ خَيْرِهِ وَشَرِّهِ. This kasra is under the ra. وَشَرِّهِ Minallahi. Minallahi ta'ala. Ta'ala. Wal-ba'thi. Wal-ba'thi ba'dal maut. Ba'dal maut. Now I read all together. آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر. آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر. واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى. والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى والبعث بعد الموت. آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر. واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى والبعث بعد الموت. Alhamdulillah, we finished this Eman-e-Mufassal, And inshallah, in the next class, we will start Eman-e-Mujmal. See you in the next class. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.